Good morning, peeps. So you see, it's the day after the prelims, the morning after the prelims. So we are here. Just gonna go out on the road, get some items and come back home, relax until 4 p.m. today, which is the final day. Today we'll definitely know what's up in terms of top 3. And as I said from last night, I made the top 6 out of 13. So, yep, kind of feel tired and beat.
Kinda?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go on the road this morning, get a couple items, come back home and relax. So I'm here with some of my family members in the back hiding. So hi to you people, hi to my vlog.
Really?
They shy to the thing, that's how it go. Yeah. Oh. And break up. Trust me, last night was crazy. Never know if we pose so hard, Bridget. The posing is actually the posing is actually harder than working out in the gym. Believe it or not. I guess that's what it takes. Hopefully they don't hold it as long as they did last night on stage. Yeah, I guess they did that because the category was tight, so they had to hold us in line that long to see who was going to break first, I guess. But it was really hard being the first time on stage. You know, if you don't have any experience as it really supposed on stage and such, trust me, it can be hard on you. But I pulled through. I hold it, I squeeze it. Sometimes I feel like, okay, legs might get slack. And then we hear one little voice in the crowd say, legs, legs! Yeah. So I hold it and squeeze it. You know? I know right now I'm thirsty because guess what? You can't drink too much of water, so I'm thirsty. And we kind of dry out your body in a sense. Water depletion they call it. You can Google these things and you know what I'm talking about. So I woke up this morning. I had breakfast. I ate 4 whole eggs and a serving of pasta. The curly one. What do they call that? The spirals. Or them call it angel curls.
I know. It's pasta.
Pasta, yeah, some pasta. So that's what I ate. For the second meal I might get some white rice. Keeping my carb high. Adding a chicken breast in there. Not doing anything fancy really, I'm just sticking to the basics. Sticking to what got me through the whole prep. I'm not changing up anything. They said do not fix what is not broken, so I'm not gonna mess with anything. I'm not gonna do any mix up any magic portion and all these things. Keeping it simple. So that's what's up morning after the first call out. Top 6 baby. Let's do this. never take up on basket?
What? Say
Why we
that.
never take up on basket?
I don't know. Are you that man?
You look at everything I have.
Yes, you are, apparently.
Look at me have a little muscle.
Yes. They say you want pump up, so pump. See little Kimmy here. This is Ryan's niece.
What else you need? That? So, I'm a chicken, I'm a rice. What
So you
else?
ready for the road now?
What you going to eat later?
I don't know yet.
Camera on me.
Wasn't on your face, was on your food.
Because I'm not food. Yeah, my face.
Like how me still a shred, I'm not sure.
You go hungry later. You need something.
Let me figure something out.
Right.
I'll figure something.
You're not getting anything in here then? That's the cat?
Yeah.
It's such a big challenge.
No?
I didn't know how much small one. So I heard they have a gym on the around here. Just gonna check it out. Get a little pump up. You getting a cat dip?
I want to
Or you
get a
going in
cat.
the pet store?
But I want to get a cat.
Alright.
Cat in here, Kimmy?
You can smell them.
Which part in your pussy, Kimmy? Show me.
So we should go and jump out of the water.
That's a rabbit thing. Of course, no cats. Right, Kimmy? You just wanted to come in here to look at the rabbits, not true? No, they don't have no cats. They only have rabbits.
So because of how thirsty I am, it's like every water I see more and jump off, you know. I don't know.
Don't worry, babe. Tonight you're gonna be able to drink as much liquids as you want. Anything at all. Alcohol, anything. Huh?
No. See, can't wait. So when this is all done and over, I got KFC, I got Burger King, I got Pizza Hut. First, we'll make a food video. We'll go see all of that. So this is my meal prep. Just cooking up some good old chicken and rice. Rice is going. Just simmer down. Saute some chicken breast. Canola cooking spray. 0 everything. Look at the nutritional facts. 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 cholesterol, 0 everything. Oh, I'm not focusing. It's not in focus. See, good. Alright, good. Alright.
Because it's restarting, that's how it restarted. So the dial is up on when fire on to about the thing.
chicken is done. Perfect. Let's check on my rice. See what's up. Woo! Rice is ready. It's in the room. So I guess this will be my meal for the rest of the day until competition time, which is at 6. It is now 1. So yeah, that's my meal prep for the day. Pretty simple. Sticking to the basics. Not trying anything new or fancy. That's what's up for today. Final day. Let's bring it later.
Can we call out the gate for me, please?
Huh?
I tell Kimmy fill up the gate. Huh?
You tell Nika what?
It's not Nikki. I was talking to Kimmy.
Oh. You're not coming again?
Yeah, we just film you.
The card here.
Have the bank and the board one card?
Yep. Camera is on? Oh.
It should be. Yeah.
Ready? Ready for the road?
I didn't move any other card.
Set a long knee, good. Ah! We're off again. Second and final day.
I bet you're more nervous today than yesterday.
Nope!
No?
Top 6. I am not nervous. This is how I go do my thing, mad up my thing and come back on the show and see it. But yeah. Second and final day. Going up late as usual. But I don't know. Can't late, sir. I guess who got called.
That's not true.
This year she pretty. You have to take time to fancy up the thing.
No, my prettiness just come natural. Come natural, right?
So it's 4:30. Going up, get settled in, showtime 6 p.m. And then definitely you guys will know what's up, what's the outcome. Who come first, who come third, who come second, who come last.
At this point it's not last, it's 6 because they were like 30.
Right.
So at this time it's 6 and if you come in the top 6 overall, that is just mind blowing, I think.
Get the production, no watching him filming. Camera not see one place. Yeah, so we're off. When we reach, we make know what's going on, alright?
Bye.
Peace out. So forward.
See you at the flip.
Yo, me thirsty, you know. You know, you say me have made in the bathroom, me have brush my teeth, man. And I was so tempted to just slurp down the water. That's how thirsty I am.
Just put the rope if you want this.
I'll fix it up. Fix it up.
It should stay now.
That should hold it.
Right. Alright.
Editing or raw footage, you know, edit no.
We're not editing, no. This is not gonna be editing, it's gonna be there.
Yeah, so me I say, Bridget, me in the bathroom, I brush my teeth and you know, I'm thirsty, I'm dehydrated. I just feel like drink the water. When I brush my teeth and then I goggle my mouth and I wash on the water and my mouth, I just feel like I just start drink. And I just stop.
But just a few more hours.
Just happy.
It's just a few more hours before you're able to drink and eat and whatever you want.
In a way.
So we don't actually have a food video, you say?
Yeah man, definitely we have to go film the food thing because when we're done with this, we have to big out. Like, we have to go all out. KFC, Burger King, Wendy's, Pizza Hut.
Really?
more crispers. I don't know, free ads thing this enough.
Crispies.
You don't need to pay me. Crispers, Crispies, any one of them. So, you know what I mean? I feel like me go and see the preparation, and now we feel like I'm just well want
it to be over.
To be over, I don't know. It's
but
mixed
technically,
feelings.
it's the beginning. It's just the beginning for you because it's the first time
Well, yeah, definitely.
you're entering and stuff. So I think this is just the beginning.
Definitely we go try. We go try and maintain the same kind of eating that we did throughout the prep because she did the prep with me as well. She went on the same diet, and trust me, if she didn't do that, I wouldn't be able to do this because I would mess it up a lot of times. So we want to maintain the same, you know, eating, and you know, because I'm gonna bulk here, but I want a clean bulk. Alright? No one again I can go a KCC and get in a cheat meal or something. Because I don't know, you have to live your normal life same way, you can just get up and operate like a robot. But yeah, we'll maintain that, and I want to put on at least 10 to 15 pounds
of pure muscle.
More pounds of pure muscle by next year. So that's the aim for the next semester. We call it next semester. She call it next semester. The off season, she call it next semester.
Yeah, next semester. But it has to be next semester because you train so hard this time and something. You just reach a point where everything just come to a head. So
yeah,
it's like you do an exam at school and then you go to the next semester for that where you start all over again, new chapter,
yeah.
new books, new school bag, new gear,
new pencil,
new pencil and pens.
So
the prep was wicked, it was wicked though, but well worth it because as I said, I lost over 20 pounds.
And we start the prep in what, middle June?
Yes.
And the competition was yesterday and today, 25th and the 26th, so we did like roughly 2 months of prep. So not bad, say in 2 months or you lost 25 pounds. Pure dedication, you know, you want it, you have to work for it. So we are here, we are late, so kind of in a rush. Bro, settle in and think. Come in, forward. A blue carpet is. Remember they're having extra activities. That's what's going on. Strong woman competition and all that.
Oh, okay.
Yes, man! Yes! Pull it in, we got our boxer shorts. Boxer shorts. Cool, no. No, hold on. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your toes. Don't wiggle shit, man.
podium. One podium. Just one podium. And have to come first. Come on.